Hey guys, how are you? Ella unnaru? Hope you all are doing good. Now I'm in Hyderabad and today we are planning to go to, don't know, like we don't have any plan. We'll decide on the way, and we are planning to go to some waterfalls. I'll tell you once I got to know the place where we are going. Let's see. Decided and we are going to Bandalemoor Waterfalls. Hi guys, finally I am here at Bandalemoor or Bodakonda Waterfalls, but I didn't expect this much crowd here. Let's see. I don't know why people are taking this waterfall as light, very light, but it is so dangerous. It is slippery. If someone slipped, na, gone case. We should be careful while going into the waterfall. Wow. What a climate. This is very nice place for trekking as well. If you see here, water is coming from this hole, because it is from almost every places. There. Mana balla akkada pettam. There are our bikes. Hey, bike go on, free amount. So that's why people are coming here easily. They are putting bikes there and they are getting down. Okay, that's it. There is some way. Go, inka paina. A pain got karan judu. Akkada janalanda chudu. Pura pain inka ido andra. We'll go there. There is something over there. Some waterfall. Are akkadi nunchi start ayindra water. So we started on that other side and we climbed this mountain and we came this side, but we lost the direction. We are searching for our direction since last 15 minutes and we don't find any path. And now we are finally able to see some path. Let's see whether we will be able to cross the river or not. There is our bike and we came like that and we crossed somewhere here and we came this side. Let's move. So finally we came to the other side, the right side, where we have started after half an hour, and we are riding back to our bikes to go to the top place of this waterfall. Let's see. Performed under guidance. Don't try in home. So we just are right where I walked. That is the starting point of the waterfall. So that's it. We are going back to Hyderabad, and this place is quite good. You can hang out with friends. Like you can chill for one day, and also you can come for trekking as well. Like there is very good spots to hang out with friends. Also with family members there. I see there are many people coming here and cooking and having some picnic kind of thing. It's very quite good place. The only thing is like there is no one to maintain this, so you should have to take care of the environment as well. See you in the next vlog. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to I'm a Traveler.